I've partnered with HelloFresh and Social Farm and Gardens to help launch their Curr-EAT-ulum, which is a syllabus to help educate British children on the importance of food waste reduction.
The HelloFresh Gardens initiative is an initiative to help local people develop more sustainable habits such as growing their own produce, composting, and food education.
Food waste is a huge problem, no matter where you look. We're wasting roughly 1/3 of the food that we produce globally each and every single year. So it's really important to start educating children at a young age the importance of food waste reduction and showing and highlighting ways to save food and to make delicious, healthy, nutritious food.
Growing your own fruit and veg is a more sustainable way of eating, and it helps reduce your carbon footprint. So instead of that food going to the landfill, it can go towards composting or enhancing vegetable beds.
Allotments like this bring so much joy and passion to my heart because I get to see compost, I get to see a wide variety of different plants and vegetables, I get to see community, people being involved in a space like this, and everyone's coming together, everyone has a smile on their face. It's just really exciting to see.